Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm gonna be showing you how to use the Rank Math SEO in your WordPress website. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official WordPress website right here at wordpress.com if you're not already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you want to go ahead and log into your account in the upper right corner. So after logging into your account successfully, you'll be greeted by the home page right here where at the left side of the screen you can see all the sections you can get started accessing for your website, such as homes, statistics, upgrades, and so on. So let's go ahead and take a look at how we can get started using Rank Math SEO. Basically guys, what we are looking for is right here at the left side of the screen. At the left side of the screen you want to find the plugins section. So click on plugins right here. After clicking on plugins, it's going to open up this new plugins menu where we can take a look at the preview of all the plugins that we can get started using for our website. And what we're looking for is right here at the top of the screen, this search bar. What we want to use in the search bar is search for Rank Math. So go ahead and search for Rank Math, and after doing so, it's going to give you a result of the applications right here. The first one is going to be Rank Math SEO. This is the plugin we want to use. So guys, now to get started, this is what we have to do. Basically guys, you want to open it up, and after opening it up, you want to click the install button that's going to appear right here. But keep in mind you need an upgraded plan for this. As you can see, currently I'm on the free plan, so I cannot use it. But if you have an upgraded plan, you can click the activate button right here. That's going to enable you to proceed with the steps of adding it to your website. So get started with adding it to your website, set it up, and once you have done so, you'll be able to access it from your plugin section right here and start using Rank Math SEO. And it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thank you for watching, take care, and